Hi everyone, I'm Rachelle with Originally Worn, and before we get started on the video, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, and you can find us on Facebook under Originally Worn and online at originallywornonline.com. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick, simple, and cheap way to update the look of your garage doors. Here you can see my garage doors. On the right is what I'm going to show you how to do today, and on the left is what it looked like before. So you can see the finished door behind me. It's meant to mimic the look of a door that's got windows and that has kind of like the carriage house look to it, kind of cottagey. It cost me about $15 per door, so it's definitely a lot cheaper than getting new doors, and our doors were just fine. The first step you're going to want to do is get hardware for it. There are a lot of different options for this, varying from plastic to metal, ones you screw on, to magnetic ones. I bought these plastic ones that are magnetic, so they won't harm your door at all. See that big bundle just stuck right there? I take them right off, and they were really inexpensive. For both doors, I believe it was around $20. I will put the link though in the description below. So you simply decide where you want one. So here is like one of the hinge parts, and I'm gonna line mine up on this kind of line right there, but you can take these up and down and adjust them and just snap them in there. And there you have it. That was that simple. This is a great thing because you can just take it back off, or you can adjust them. I put the handles in a bunch of different places to see where I liked them, but pretty easy. The next step we're gonna do is to put the faux windows in. You can put it in the top square or this middle kind of top square, depending on what your door looks like and what style of windows you want to go with. There are a ton of magnetic options, just like these handles, that are usually like a 4x6 square that you can pop on these and pop them off. Really great for rental properties. I'm doing something a little bit different, but only because I don't like a 4x6 square. Kind of fits my particular garage door square really odd. So instead, I've bought a roll of black glossy high gloss permanent vinyl. The reason for the high gloss is if you see a window on a garage door that's real, it's usually reflective. So we're simply just gonna peel the backing off of this and then stick it up on to the window here in the square that's already raised. And that's it. It's pretty simple. And for about $20 and a couple minutes of your time, you can update the look of your garage door. I really like ours. I think it will help tie in all the black of our shutters and our flower boxes across the house. Hope you guys enjoy, and be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, you can find us all over online under Originally Worn, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and then online at originallywornonline.com. Otherwise, happy painting!